Are you looking for the best WordPress themes this year? With thousands of free and premium WordPress themes available, it is hard for beginners to find the best WordPress theme for their website. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best and most popular WordPress themes of this 2022. So let's dive in. The first theme is, this is really popular, and this is the theme that I am using in my website, Astra. Astra is a modern WordPress theme designed to create any website. It works with all the popular drag and drop page builders seamlessly. The theme comes with several starter sites that you can use to launch your website quickly. These ready-made websites are perfect for small businesses, startups, blogs, and WooCommerce stores. Astra has tons of amazing features including page headers, mega menu, multiple layout, choices, Google Fonts, unlimited color customization options, separated blog page layouts, and custom widgets. Astra offers a powerful integration with WooCommerce plugin which helps you to create your online store. And other than that, Astra also has a built-in SEO optimization tool which helps your website to rank well in the search engine result pages. Then the next theme is Divi. Divi is one of the most popular themes, and this is owned by Elegant Themes. It includes an ultimate page builder. It has multiple visual elements and modules that help you to create a beautiful website. The theme comes with hundreds of free ready-made layouts for multiple industries and niches. The one-click demo importer lets you import professionally designed pages and blog layouts to get started quickly. You can then replace the content with your own using the front-end editor. With the built-in drag-and-drop page builder, you can move elements, save and manage custom designs, and use global styles on all your website pages. Divi gives you complete control over all your designs, and it is highly flexible, and it is really easy to use, and it is SEO friendly, and it will help you to rank higher in search engine result pages. Then the next theme is cProd. cProd allows you to create your custom theme layout without coding. cProd comes with several professionally designed theme templates. These templates include all the page layouts that you need for your website as well as high converting landing pages. They can be used as is or completely customized to suit your needs. You can use the cProd page builder to customize the layout and design of all your theme pages. It shows a real-time preview of all the changes so you can see how your website will appear to users before it even published. cProd's visual builder is very powerful but yet beginner-friendly. Whether you want to create a landing page or a complete website, it is really easy to use with their drag-and-drop option. Then the next theme is Ultra. Ultra is a powerful multi-purpose WordPress theme. Ultra comes with dozens of ready-made sites for niches such as lifestyle, magazine, restaurants, photography, fashion, and more. It also includes the Themify page builder that you can use for customization. Ultra has several builder add-ons to add advanced elements like progress bars, counters, pricing tables, and audio players, and more. Ultra is also a perfect theme to start an online store, and it has the full compatibility over WooCommerce. Then the next theme is Ocean WP. Ocean WP is a free responsive WordPress theme. It comes with a one-click demo content importer and hundreds of ready-made sites to launch a website instantly. The theme has multiple extensions to add features to your website like login pop-up, an Instagram feed, a sticky footer, a featured post slider, and more. It's translation ready to create a multilingual website. The Ocean WP supports WooCommerce, and it has a built-in SEO features to improve the rankings of your website. Then the next theme is Breakthrough Pro. This is a minimalist WordPress theme. This theme is ideal for any business website. It comes with 9 custom widgets, 3 layout options, landing page templates, and custom header. It works with the WordPress blog editor to customize posts and pages smoothly. So those are the best, most popular WordPress themes out there in the market. Among all of those themes, Astra is my favorite. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.